y'all see it, man. 5-0 or 5 slow, or you want to call it, man.
I haven't out here in a while.
Oh, come on, man. Oh, it got the wave running. Oh, let me see. That was real?
Come on, Jack.
All right, man. What's good, dog? Corona.
That Corona.
Yeah,
that Rona, baby.
All right, man. Y'all see, got that boy Fast Life Russ out here. Just pulled up in his smooth little 5-0. You know, I'm not a fan of Mustangs, but you know, he built them up. You know, these Mustangs, they quick. This is a 10-speed, right? Yeah, 10-speed. 10-speed automatic 2019 GT Premium. Shit, we about to go grab some food real quick, man. I'm gonna show him some. This, y'all see this? Y'all know what I got. I'm gonna show him some. I'm gonna show him a real car. What are these? Are these fake vents?
Bro, actually.
Bro, these aren't even fucking
actual airflow. Is it? Oh shit, it looks nice.
Like he killed like 1,000 bugs, man.
I want to see this car on the road, bro. Here's what I said the second one, so.
Man, we go through stat packs like milk, bro.
Man, this is man. I would love like definitely. What do we got here? So, that's the headers. All right, see you guys for the next video. No,
So yeah, my boy ordered some headers, had them sent to my house.
Shout out to him too for letting me get these headers.
Yeah.
Sent to him. If you guys know, California is bullshit, but this is gonna be strictly a track car, and yeah, man, I guess we get these things open.
Yep. So he got a 5.0 Mustang 2019 GT. And these, what brand is this again?
JBA.
Yep, JBA long tube headers. So we're just gonna take them out the box just to show you what they look like. I mean, it's pretty much standard. If you know headers, I mean, they just pretty much steel pipes and shit like that. So just go ahead and pull that one out, I guess. Cool. Yeah. Oof.
I don't know what to look for.
I mean, this is part. Yeah, it's part of going to like the engine manifold part right here, and this the part to connect to the.
Look at the welds and shit like that.
Well, yeah. So you interested in these? You go ahead and look at it. You know, it looks like it's. I mean, obviously it's no lease. This is a professional, company. It's not like it's a side shop or these was custom made. You know, this is a company that make, headers for plenty different type of cars. So it's just, so basically it's just those two, and then like it's some tool shit at the bottom. Cause I think when they when they do headers, they test them and shit too, I think. Some shit like that.
I have no clue.
Well, not for sure, but I know some car parts, they test them before they ship them out.
That's good at headers, man. Looks good to me, man. This motherfucker's gonna sound. They look smaller in picture. Like they look smaller in person. I thought headers were supposed to be like huge and shit like that.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not like the full.
The full, yeah.
Yeah.
The full catback exhaust.
Yeah, people be thinking like it's a full exhaust system, but it's just the headers, the part from the engine that's gonna connect to the exhaust part.
Looks good to me. I can't wait to slap these motherfuckers on, bro. Honestly, it's just gonna be like crazy loud. Honestly.
Yep.
You guys go here, the headers, man. I ordered JBA headers.
So that's like his first real performance mod too. So.
Yeah, exactly. This is my first performance mod that's gonna go on the car.
Yeah.
I definitely can't wait to see the power. Well, I definitely gotta get tuned for this. So that means E85 tune is coming soon. That's $800, and I can't wait, bro. This is gonna be crazy.
Hey, man, started the journey, man.
Yeah, started the first mod.
Are you gonna change the tips on the back?
I mean, once I go to exhaust, like another exhaust, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go like Corsa. That shit is like too expensive. So that's why it's like this is like a bang for your buck header. Like this is like $700. So if you're like me and trying to save money, this is the way to go. JBA. I took the risk. I couldn't find no video on YouTube with these headers for like an 18 Mustang. Now I saw videos like Texas Speed, and them shit sound way better and loud, but
yeah.
I'm risking my money.
Yeah, hey man, because at the end of the day, you're gonna get a performance gain.
Yeah, you're gonna get a performance gain no matter
most of the times you're always paying for the brand, not the actual
sound and shit.
Yeah, because these perform just as well as the one you're talking about, but the other brand just know more.
Exactly.
So yeah, he's definitely about to add those on. He's gonna get it tuned. He's gonna add an intake as well. He said he's looking at wheels. He wanna get a drag setup, so he's probably gonna go, drag setup for the back and some type of stock wheel for the front. He's gonna go black because you want to keep that whole black theme on the car. But this is just a quick video just to show you the headers, show his 5.0 GT Mustang right here, and we got way more content on the way, man. Stay tuned.
I plan on getting tuned from Russ. That's E85. It's gonna be $200 extra. Just $200 extra with each mod. So pretty much, I think I'm gonna get the car tuned when I get the intake. What do you think? What do you think?
Definitely add as many mods as you can before you get it tuned. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
And you don't have to go back because you had the headers, and then you'll get it tuned. Then you add the intake. You see what I'm saying? Back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. So I would definitely try to add as much as you can. Not saying you gotta build it up and never get it tuned again,
Yeah,
but as much as you can right now.
Yeah.
Definitely headers and intake, and then get it tuned. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
gonna be definitely crazy. Get it, man. I can't wait.
Yeah, because you don't have to buy an E85 kit for the Mustang. You just got to get it tuned, and then you need to run it.
That's one thing good about the Mustangs that I like. But, man, I can't wait to dive into those mods. This stock gearbox definitely wants to go. I think about going with JLT intake. And, yeah, we definitely need new wheels because once we get those power gains and stuff like that, I want to go with a drag pad, man. These wheels are pretty much trash. And then we can start going to the cosmetic mods like my guy Moan over here. Because the way his scat looks, man, I'm looking like shit.
Come on, man.
Step my game up, dude. Only thing I got is tip. But, as you guys see, man, he got new wheels. What do you guys think about like a drag pack on the Mustang? I think that shit look crazy. Comment down below.
I don't like it. I'm not a fan of a drag pack.
I don't like the drag pack. I think that shit look crazy. But, man, there you guys go. A scat you guys haven't seen from the last videos. This is a second scat. Stripe, gold.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96.